How's it going?
You never called me back. I left messages.
You did? Well, I didn't know that. Donald seems to think that you
There's
said
two
that...
things that aggravate me, Mr. Masry. Being ignored and being lied to.
I never lied.
You told me things would be fine. They're not. I trusted you.
I'm sorry about that.
I don't
really
need
am.
pity. I need a paycheck. And I've looked. But when you spent the past 6 years raising babies, it's real hard to convince someone to give you a job that pays worth a damn. Are you getting every word of this down, honey, or am I talking too fast for you?
I'm sorry about that. I really am. We have a full staff right
Bullshit.
now.
If you had a full staff, this office would return a client's damn phone call. I'm smart, I'm hardworking, and I'll do anything, and I'm not leaving here without a job. Don't make me beg. If it doesn't work out, fire me. Don't make me beg.
No benefits.